What's up, boys? John Funded back with another back testing video. Well, yeah, some good news today. We just passed another combine, so we're currently on 2 Express accounts. So let's go over the trade today. We could have banged, like absolutely banged today, but this random wick came down, took us out at break even, took first partials. I think it was this 1 minute high right here. Why? Took partials there because ES already took out everything to the upside, and yeah, so we could easily float it all the way up to here. This would have been insane. I think this would have been like my risk. Like, I think my stop loss was 450. Here, let's see, 450 times 3.73. 3.73. Bro, that's $1,600. That's crazy. But I took it after, so higher time frame, obviously bullish. We came down, rejected off of this gap here, inversed. I was gonna go long off this inverse, completely second guessed myself, but after price came down, rejected strong off of this gap. I went in after rejected off this gap. Put stops at this 1 minute low. First TP banged, and then obviously go break even. Went break even, and then price just decided to flood forward again. And yeah, really annoying because I would have banged. I think it would have been like what, $800 day, but it's not about the money. It's about the execution, and we banged out today. And then on my other account, I risked like, I think it was like 800 to make 1,300 or something. I don't remember. Yeah, I think so. But I banged there. Okay, now we're on 2 Express accounts. It's looking good. We passed 4 accounts. We got the payout. We're looking good. Hopefully we can continue this progression, and hopefully we can continue like building this, passing combines, getting more payouts, and achieve our 10K month this summer. It's 100% possible. I believe in myself. I trust in the Lord. I put it all in God's hands. And yeah, most of my income's gonna come from my job where I'm working at. But all I gotta do is just, if I accumulate 5 winning days, that's whatever I make times 2. So it's definitely possible to kickstart my journey to becoming profitable literally at that, like this month. We have 2 more weeks left of trading PA, and all I gotta do is trade smart, trade profitably, don't rush trades, execute perfectly, and I'm good. So yeah, we're 9 months in, making some good progress coming up here. Yeah, hopefully, now we're on 2 Expresses. This can kickstart our journey to becoming profitable and achieve all my goals. Yeah, make myself proud. Drive that C706 by the end of senior year. Alright, anyways, so yesterday, like I said, I knew I was doing something wrong, and I completely was. I was changing the strategy I was taught. My boy Andrew went in depth what I was doing wrong, and I completely understand. And today, on the live market, I took exactly what happened. What did price do? We broke on the 1 minute. We checked off this 1 minute gap. I went long, but old me would have been like, "Oh, but we're in 5 minute bearish order flow. We can't really go long here." Blah 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 blah. And yeah, I went in long after the price was literally clearly showing us we want to continue higher. 1 minute break, 1 minute inverse, strong rejection out of this 1 minute break. What is price most likely going to do? Continue higher. So I took that trade, and we banged. So what I'm supposed to do is not change my strategy, just use common sense. All right, let's jump right into this. We're gonna keep this week just Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday because I'm low-key pretty tired today. And yeah, all right. So Wednesday, no news. Obvious bearish downtrend. We're inside this gap here. We don't really have any draws and liquidity to be targeting. We're filling this imbalance. We could react off of it. We have 30-minute highs here. And this gap there. So we have potential liquidity to the upside. Even though we're bearish, let's see what did I do wrong here? Oh, okay. What did I also do on here? Alright, bang. Alright, let's see. We have stacked up draws liquidity to the upside. So yeah, just be patient, see what the market gives us, see where both indexes are heading to. So just like this, ES is printing extremely bullish, took out the 30-minute high. We don't want to rush anything. So we just rejected, creating an SMT currently. You have this 30-minute low we can potentially target, along with this 30-minute low. Higher time frames bearish. Price is rejecting. We rejected off this 1-minute gap. If we close bearish next candle, alright, I'm taking this short. It's obvious where market wants to go. Now we have 30-minute lows to the downside. Stops at the body. First TP 0.8, and then next TP all the way on this 30-minute low. Both indexes should be calling bearish order flow. We'll create an SMT, higher time frames bearish. What is price telling us? We want to continue lower. So we're in a little predicament here. We rejected off this 1-minute gap, 1-minute break. SMT at these highs, it's 841. But ES is in bullish order flow. Do we trust our gut and take this trade? I want to say yes. I'm taking this. We're close to these draws and liquidity. We should be taking this out. Wow, we get edged. It's because ES is still in bullish order flow and it's just going higher. Bro. Really? There's no way price chopped me out, bro. Whatever, bro. Had correct idea. Got chopped out. I literally had the correct idea, bro. Like, you just can't really do anything about that. Damn, it is lightning out there. Are you kidding me? Bro, what is there, a hole in my mouth? We don't like that. We don't like that at all. Bro, the progress I'm making is literally just because the way I'm backtesting. Ever since I've been backtesting and just posting this to YouTube and just getting used to talking and saying my confluence and saying what the market's doing, I get way more confident in the markets. Hold on. Oops. Oh, never mind, we're good. Thursday 18th. And it shows, like, my hard work is paying off. I'm on 2 Express accounts. Yeah, like the old me would backtest tired, backtest, like, rush through it, not talk out loud, and just get it over with, you know? Now the new me, the profitable me, or soon to be profitable me, is taking this more seriously like a business. Alright, so let's break it down. So higher time frame, we're bearish in the daily. On the 4-hour, we're bearish. We inverse this 4-hour gap to the upside though. The 1 hour, once again, we're in bullish order flow. Bullish order flow, inverse this 30-minute. So we have tons of bullish signs, tons. We have a nice imbalance. We could potentially, this is a 4-hour gap. We could be targeting if price wants to continue higher. Let's see what the market gives us for today. Alright, first 5 minute candle. We're already in bearish order flow, so price is continuing lower. Inversus gap. Price is now showing bearish signs on both indexes. We're obviously going bearish. 5 minute trend continuation, a little 5 minute retrace into this 1 minute gap, rejected off of it. Okay, indexes are opposite again. We're not making the same mistake. We're gonna be patient. Price is inverse this gap. Now we want to take this trade. So I'm gonna draw on liquidity. Actually, I want to wait for price to come up and tap into this gap. Yeah, see. Close bearish. But like the trade idea is gone, bro. Why am I not taking these trades, bro? What am I doing? Alright, rejected off this gap. We should be fine now. Target London low. Price is obviously continuing lower. Both indexes are bearish. We already got our 5 minute retrace. We tapped into this 5 minute gap, rejected off of it. Yeah, we should be chilling. We should hit TP here. Of course we don't. Like, of course we don't, bro. Okay, now price is showing us bullish signs, rejected off of it. Obviously, we're done with this fucking London low. Bullish order flow, rejected off this 1 minute gap. Both indexes are showing bullish signs. We're gonna go long here. Stops at the body. First TP, second TP. Both indexes are showing bullish order flow. We should be fine here. We're gonna let this one play out. Alright, first TP smacked. Break even. Okay, bro. So our first trade, like, nothing really we can do, honestly. Price was just bullish, and we were just retracing. Alright, well now we go down and take out London low to see it, so whatever. SMT at the highs, and then we break. Alright, okay, well, there's that. We keep getting chopped out, bro. First trade. I can't spell. First, okay. Let's refresh here. So screenshot won't load. We can't journal this. There you go. First trade was an L. Everything was bullish on higher time frame. Price was just sweeping out sell side liquidity to continue higher. Got cooked. Then price, please. Price was obviously drawing towards London and Asia. Loons? London and Asia high. Got in after, what was it, 1 minute tap? Rejected off of, we could have easily entered here, bro. Why do we enter all the way down there, up here? Yeah, displacement through this inbound stops with this 1 minute low. What am I doing, bro? Oh, I think I clicked too fast. That's why. I don't even know. Hello? First trade. L. Higher time frame. Bullish. Price was just taking out liquidity. Stacked lows to continue higher. Check S. Continue higher. Got cooked. Then took a long to where market obviously was going. And bang to London High. Could have gotten in early. Clearly. Early. Clicked too fast. Entered after, what was it? Rejected off 1 minute gap. Like, why did I skip? Alright, I just canceled the journal again, bro. Game's gone. What am I doing? Why am I clicking so fast? Alright, bro. That shit was definitely avoidable. Like, that trade was terrible. We could have easily banged. Where is Price, bro? We could have easily banged a fat RR, bro. What am I doing? That's terrible. Bro, can this $1 deal come back, bro? This looks like accumulation, manipulation, reversal. That's what it looks like to me. Jeez Louise, bro. No news Friday, the 19th. We're down a band on the month. Definitely could have made it all back that trade if I didn't click so damn fast. What is this shit, bro? Whatever. I don't have fucking like the start of London low, bro, or session. Whatever. All right. What is this price, bro? Nasdaq just disappeared. Higher time frame. We've broken the forward to the downside. We could be drawing towards London low. We had a huge sell-off. London low has some potential. Let's see what market wants to do for us. Alright, price comes up. We're in 5-minute bearish order flow. Come up, take out this 5-minute high. Both indexes clearly in bearish order flow. If we push this 1-minute inbounds, nope, we want to continue higher. What do we have to the upside? We have Asia high. Is that London high? Probably, no idea. Let's call it London high there. Price obviously displaced through. It's inbounds. Seem pretty bullish. Both indexes are bullish. Both indexes are bullish. I'm taking this long. We have clear draws to the upside. We're gonna put stops with this for value gap because that's where we're. Nah, I'm not taking this. And it bangs. Why am I not taking the trade, bro? Literally, why am I not taking the trade? Alright, bro, I'm a bitch. Alright, selling off. Pull back. See if we reject off this gap. Rejected off of it. Rejected off of the gap. What do we have to the downside? 5-minute low. We're going to target this. This is our trade. But what's with these shitty RRs, bro? We're taking this. Just watch it float. Float to stop loss. Let's go! Okay, displacing once again. What do we have to the downside? Yo.
Oh.
July is testing my patience, bro. I am getting cooked.
Good, bro.
I'm down 1,800, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Dude, it's like I was gonna take this trade and I don't take it and it hits TP and I take a losing trade the same day.
No, bro. My emotions, like in this session, bro, have just been so bad. Like, okay, look at this shit. October's turning fucking green as shit for me. But let me go to my July.
Like, I'm done second guessing myself, bro. If I see a trade, I'm taking it.
Yo, look at my July, bro.
That's horrible. Yo, wait. Yo, did you trade the 19th? Let me see it.
1.5K. I took 2 trades.
Let me see it. What was your first one?
I looked like I fucking took a horrible picture.
Yeah, I went long too. I went long at
Nice.
9:39.
It looks
No. I did not go long at 9:39. That was a trade I wanted to take. Fuck, what?
I went long at like 50 something, and then I went long again at like 10.
After we took out London and Asia High?
I can't see it. No, Asia High was over here.
You know, we took out London and Asia High.
Well, I don't fucking remember what this day was. Let's see what I journaled. Just no conviction and bullish. Don't even feel like journaling. Fuck me.
That's class, bro.
It's because I lost the past two other trades, man.
Well, makes you feel any better. I journaled, and then I deleted it all. So I journaled it again, and then it canceled. So, yeah. Alright, boys. We're going to take a 10-minute break, go brush our teeth, and we'll bounce back. See y'all in a minute.